Hello guys. Soundwave is a text-to-speech converter and we are demonstrating it. Here I am taking a random text and choosing English as our language and choosing India as our country. Here we will wait for our results.
Essay in English, essay writing topics. Format. Tips. Are you searching for essay writing topics in English for various competitions and speeches for?
Now we will try another country to see what's the difference.
Are you searching for essay writing topics in English for various competitions and speeches for school events? Then you are on the.
You can identify difference in UK and India English accent. Now we will try Hindi as our language and India as our country. Here we can't choose any other country because Hindi is spoken only in India. Here you can see the results.
कुछ सामान्य विषयों कॉमन टॉपिक्स पर जानकारी जुटाने में छात्रों की मदद करने के उद्देश्य से हमने निबंध और भाषणों के रूप में कई लेख